Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, we have the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This is pretty much fully loaded, convertible of course, with the 3LZ pack. It's funny, I just stepped out of the C8 and now I'm going to what I firmly believe the pinnacle of the front engine Corvette. Now, I get there's the ZR1. But good luck finding one for under six figures. These you can find right around maybe about, well, this one's right under 100,000. You can find a decent one for probably about 80 or 90. So, if you want to celebrate the front engine Corvette, this is the way to do it. With the 3LZ pack, you get Alcantara, carbon. I mean, it's the same as the C8, I already can tell. Good job, Chevy. Alright. Let me see me seatbelts. Red seatbelts, of course. Oh yeah. Hidey hole. This one's black, automatic, of course. And 1,062 miles. Driving it in track mode. Now with it being 66 degrees out, I drive these to warm them up, but even so, tires are still pretty cold. But I'll still give you guys an idea of what it's like. Come on, buddy. Now, as you guys know, one of my first ever videos was a manual C7 Z06. I think this is the first automatic Corvette on the channel. Automatic C7 or... No, the C8 will be the first. It's the first automatic C7. I'll say that. Because the C6 Grand Sport, that was an automatic. So, whatever. This one's an 8-speed torque converter, unlike the C8, which is an 8-speed dual clutch. You'll have a nice plaque here that says Z06 Supercharged and it gives you the figures. 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. I do believe it's a supercharged 6.2, does it say? Yeah. Just sitting here, cruising along, super comfortable. Exhaust, of course, has the active valves. So you'll sit there, just kind of cruising along. It'll be quiet. Once you give it some gas or get the revs up, it'll do some nice little things. Is there a bolt in there? Zip tie. Grip. Oh, holy crap! Wow, okay, that was the first time I floored it. It's been a while. This is dumb quick. This is quicker than it needs to be. That is for sure. There is no reason it needs to be this fast. I'm not sitting here asking for 755 horsepower. That's why I still think if you were to buy a C7 and want the ultimate front engine Corvette, C6 ZR1 or one of these. Hands down. This is fully loaded too. This is pretty much everything. I love my job. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.